done our outfits. His is like cute, like you wanted.
Right.
And mine's a little bit different.
Oh, you look lovely.
Right, so what goes with the chicken? KFC? The Colonel, isn't it? Finger looking good. Also, KFC have their own bucket. Come on then, bring your bucket. Got this jumper off eBay. It's a bit small, it's come from China.
Only man in the world that would order something as awful as that. What?
It turns out like an Asian large isn't quite the same as an English large. But it's fine, look at it.
That's not Halloween!
What do you mean? Of course it is.
Oh, I was thinking, oh, he's a cute little chicken and you...
Come on mate, we're going to have fun tonight, aren't we? Yeah?
He's already over it.
He's just ready, look. He's ready for that.
I just